Today I'm going to show you how I build my very popular mushroom towers. I start with cubes of bread. I bought small mushrooms, and that's why I cut my bread to fit them. And then, of course, the tomato. You can probably leave the tomato out, but for me, it's non-negotiable. I spread margarine on my bread cubes so they bake nicely brown and taste delicious. I can almost taste the toasted bread cubes. A few pieces of lettuce make any dish look more cheerful and, of course, tastier. Now quickly mix and prepare the patties. Feel free to watch my video about meatballs for the recipe. I use the same recipe for my hamburger patties and the patties in my mushroom towers. Just quickly roll a few meatballs and then flatten them with a glass bowl or dish, just to get them nice and flat. Now I quickly grease my pan with my always reliable lard. The lard is a byproduct of my cangs, but is equally valuable, if not more. The patties are beautiful and smell delicious. They look so good. Now quickly fry the bread. They look beautifully golden brown. Now the last, and certainly the most important, I grease the pan with garlic butter and then fry the mushrooms until nicely done. Add some more garlic butter. Add some more garlic butter. Add salt or any spices you like, and don't be shy with the seasoning. And even more garlic butter. As soon as the mushrooms are ready, I give each a cheese cap. And then close the lid for the cheese to melt. And then the final step. You can just watch me stack it. My mouth is watering too much to talk any further. Oh yeah, just quickly. The sauce is just a mixture of mayonnaise, tomato sauce, chutney, and mustard. Maybe I left the lid on a little too long for the cheese. The cheese started to run off the mushrooms, but rest assured, it doesn't change the delicious taste at all. Wow, it looks so delicious. And this is how I build my mushroom towers. Make some extra. You'll never have enough.